Welcome to Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Possessive, adjectives and pronouns. I have got a cat. It's my cat. This cat is mine. You have got a bike. It's your bike. This bike is yours. He has got a car. It's his car. This car is his. She has got a doll. It's her doll. This doll is hers. It has got a ball. It's its ball. This is dog's ball. We have got a dog. It's our dog. This dog is ours. You have got presents. They are your presents. These presents are yours. They have got a cake. It's their cake. This cake is theirs. See you again on Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe.